Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So I'm whispering because I am in the office today working, but I still wanted to take you guys along with me today and kind of show you guys a realistic day of eating, low calorie, while I'm at work, and then tonight when I go home and make dinner. But that is why I'm whispering. We're gonna start off the morning with some coffee. I have coffee in here. This is just Stoke cold brew coffee. I put about that much, probably like a good 24 ounces, and then I added a little bit of sweet cream and like just the tiniest bit, and then that was it, and then ice. So I love using my Stanley cup because it keeps my coffee really cold, and then I don't have to use a straw because they have like this little sippy thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. You guys probably don't see too much people vlogging in their office. Anyways, okay, I'll see you guys whenever I eat. It's 8:30 right now, so I usually will not eat until about noon. So I'll see you guys at noon. I'm on lunch. So the hospital I work in, they have a nakama downstairs, so they serve like hibachi, poke bowls, sushi. I've had their sushi. Their sushi's good, but today I decided to do a hibachi bowl. So this is a lot, but maybe I'll just eat half and then eat the other half for dinner. But let me show you guys. So I got fried rice, veggies, and shrimp. This was quite expensive. This came to $14. So, but we'll try it and let's see if it's good. My first time having it, but it looks very yummy. Okay guys, this is what's left. Rice, ate all the veggies, all the shrimp. Save this maybe for dinner. Hi guys, so I'm home. I'm done with work for the day, and that lunch made my stomach so upset. I've literally been in the bathroom for the last 6 hours. I know, TMI, but I wanted to give you an update. It's 6:50 right now, so I can't hold anything down. Literally, oh my gosh, I will never eat that at work ever again. It was good, but it was not worth all of this, I don't know what you want to call it, but thank goodness I'm gonna work from home tomorrow. So yeah, that was my day of eating. I've been drinking water all day just to kind of help flush whatever is messing my stomach up. So today was not really a good day. I thought it was gonna be like an amazing filming day and eating day, but I was wrong. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
3 days later.
Good morning, guys. It is 3 days later. I am finally feeling better. I've literally been in bed, but today I feel a lot better. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and finish this video, show you guys what I eat in a day, my routine. So today is Sunday. I am in front of the gym because I am like craving like to lift something. Like I need to lift. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys what I eat in a day, what I do. Remember, I am on a low calorie diet right now, and the days where I do come to the gym, I feel so much hungrier, so I might be eating more than usual today because my body, I listen to my body. If my body feels like it's hungry, it needs it, I just feed my body. And if it doesn't, I don't. And that's just how it's been, and it's been working. So anyways, let's go. first workout done. I burnt like 250 calories. I'll put it like on the screen right here. I only worked out for 35 minutes and I was literally sweating the whole time. I felt so good though. It felt so good. So anyway, I'm in front of Giant Eagle. We're gonna go in. Well, I'm gonna go in. Well, we're gonna go in and we're gonna grab a few things that I need for the house. Just like little things to make for lunch and dinner today and tomorrow. So let's go into Giant Eagle. I did get a Starbucks, you guys. I could not resist. I got it with a little bit of sweet cream, not like regular. It's a little dark today, but it still tastes good. So anyway, let's go. Show you guys real quick what I got because I think I got a few good finds. Whoa, here's my coffee. All right, these are so good. These are garlic green beans and you throw it on the skillet. It's so yummy. Hi.
Hello.
I've got 2 packs of seaweed snacks, some turkey kibasi because you guys know that Jamal's not eating beef or he doesn't eat pork, so I had to get turkey. These were 2 for $8. Got cauliflower rice. This one has mushrooms and asparagus. This one has carrots and peas. We've got some buffalo chicken lunch meat. I really like this lunch meat and it was on sale. I got 2 pieces of sweet Thai chili salmon. I can't wait to have this with the seaweed and maybe some rice. Maybe we'll do like those little bowls. And then we've got some mini cucumbers. And then I've been seeing this all over TikTok. This is protein pasta. It is packed with protein. I think a serving has 10 grams of pasta. So I can't wait to try this. I'm excited. And this is my favorite yogurt, guys. I eat this with protein granola and it's just packed with protein. And that's what I'm like focusing more on these days. Even though I'm doing like low calorie, I'm trying to up my protein. Then we've got some French toast sticks for the kids. We've got some OJ. And then we've got some lime, garlic, onion. I like to buy it small like this because when I buy a big bulk, I never use it and it goes bad. Cilantro, bananas, and then some potatoes. But yeah, this is what we have. Hey guys, we're home from the gym, from the store. We're gonna make breakfast. The kids are all taking a nap. It's noon. So I think I'm going to do my OG breakfast. I haven't had that in a while. And we got some turkey bacon on the side. Okay guys, this is breakfast. I was gonna do a wrap, like my OG breakfast, but I don't know, I'm feeling kind of like toasty. Like I want some toast. So I have 1 slice of toast here, 2 pieces of turkey bacon, and 2 eggs with scrambled cheese. And then I think in a little bit I'm gonna have some yogurt with some granola if this doesn't keep me like full. I'm sure it will, but okay, this is breakfast. Oh, okay guys, I'm so freaking full. This is what I have left. I didn't think I was gonna get full because I worked out this morning and I thought I would probably have to have a yogurt on the side, but these eggs really filled me up. Okay. Okay guys, it is about 3:30. I've been talking about
We've been talking. I've been thinking about this yogurt all day, guys. You guys know this. I've been talking about this since breakfast, so we're gonna finally have it. Seriously, guys, this is one of my favorite yogurts. It's only 80 calories, 12 grams of freaking protein, 0 grams of fat. I love it. And then I add some of this protein honey and oats granola. I add so much. This is just how much I have now, but like once I eat the top layer, I add more. It's just so freaking good. Yum. Okay, let's have this for a little snack. Okay guys, we are going to make salmon. We're gonna make our little salmon bowl today. So I have 2 pieces of sweet Thai chili salmon. I'm gonna throw this in the air fryer. So today I decided to make jasmine rice. I have exactly 1 cup of rice here. And then I'm gonna top it with my Thai chili salmon. I buy this, well, you guys saw at Giant Eagle. It's so good. And then I'm just gonna cut up 1 mini cucumber, add that in, and then I'm gonna add some yepi, I think that's what it's called, yepi mayo. It's like Japanese mayo. We're gonna add some of that in here, and then we're gonna also add sriracha, and then when we mix that, it's gonna turn into spicy mayo. If you're looking to make this low carb or even lower calorie, I suggest using cauliflower rice. All right guys, and this is dinner. Made a little salmon bowl with jasmine rice, cucumber on the side, topped with QP mayo and sriracha with seaweed. Oh, 1 second. So it looks pretty now, but we're gonna mix it all together and we're gonna make our little salmon bowl. But I just wanted to show you guys before it got a little messy. Okay, so here's how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys how I assemble. We're just gonna, you can use chopsticks, but I'm just gonna go right in and just kind of squeeze. Use the rice. Add a cucumber right in the middle there. If you have avocado, that'd be good too. But then you just take a bite. That is so good. So much flavor in your mouth. So here, I'll show you guys. So like that. I love a little cucumber because it makes it refreshing. And then just Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, being patient with me. I really do appreciate all your support, all your kind words. If you're not following me yet, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. It really does help my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!